So, will be part 2 of Lego boats gonna float into the water. First one is the own boat. Yes, this boat is floating. The first boat is successfully floating. I like floating boats. Next boat, which is this one. This boat sunk. Now I say this second one sinks. So, this one. Oh yes, this boat is successfully floating because water start to pour on the side. I don't think. Yep, it's the boat floats also. What about this boat? This is a ship. No, it sinks also. Next is the sailboat. No, it sinks also. Man, we have 3 boats doesn't float. Next is the container ship. It does float. However, water starts to pour on the side. But it will lift the ship easily. And then the last boat, which is the cruise ship. Yes, this ship is successfully floating. Yep, it's floating. It floats very fine, but it's okay. So we have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 boats is only floating. Only 3 boats. More Lego boats floats in the water. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos in this future. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See you next time.